Today we're testing out the dual camera flotation system with the ability to pull it with a fishing line. Interested? Here we go. The different points in which to tow it is important. You can tow it on the main center line. You can use this dual point system. I don't think that the fish line is going to show up in the video. This little orange thing and this little thing may. It's very well balanced in the water. It goes back as much as it goes forward. And the great thing about this design is there's two things you can do to film underwater. You can either flip this one point down. I'll actually show you what that looks like that. So that's an underwater configuration. And that would be just below the surface because this is where the water is here, right? You could ballast the bottles to make almost like a submarine effect, and I'm going to work on that. Or, let's get it back together, I guess. I guess you could do it this way. That would be kind of crazy, but possible. Or, you can flip this whole rig upside down and float it like that, and then that would make these cameras right about that height here. So all these points work well, gives you options. The other great thing is it's all something you can put in a backpack or, you know, take in an airport, checking the luggage, and you can get these bottles almost anywhere. Fairly standard tie-in, and you're ready to go if you don't want to take the bottles with you. I've used larger bottles out in just plain lake water and in regular streams and creeks, and that works well. So there's different bottle configurations you can also work with. Good job.
No, hold on. Like, here. And then you float. And don't put your knees around. Good, do that.
The bridle being right here, low, really makes a difference, makes it go real stable and straight. So if you want a little more angle and cinematic turns, go with the other side. So taking the ring off, putting a couple loops around the line here to try to keep it so that the bridle stays put really helps it go nice and straight. So that worked out really well. testing and improvements. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of photo gear development, designs, inventing things, making, breaking things, recipes, home repairs, check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.